We guide you through how to fix Android battery drain. So first, open settings and go to battery to check which apps are using the most power. If you notice an app draining your battery even when you're not using it, tap it and restrict its background activity or uninstall it if you don't need it. Next, lower your screen brightness or enable adaptive brightness since the display is one of the biggest battery consumers. Turn off features like Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and mobile hotspot when they are not in use, and enable battery saver or power saving mode to extend battery life. Also, make sure your Android system and apps are updated, as updates often include battery optimization improvements. If your battery is still draining fast, restart your phone to clear temporary background processes. And if the problem started after installing a new app, try removing it to see if it resolves the issue. And finally, if your phone is several years old and battery health has significantly declined, replacing the battery may be the best long-term solution.